Yo, 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 yo. Good morning. Just a little update on the project. As you can see, it moved. It moved. I was able to get that left side running by messing with the belt tensioner. It was still not correct. The belt was the wrong belt, and it was just getting friggin' chewed up. The guide pin was way too low, so it was smashing into it, and the overall tension was too low. The overall pump was too far in. The main thing you want to do is make sure you have the left and the right pump roughly in the same spot. Tighten them down before you start your tensioner. Get them in the same spot, and then once you get that tensioner gone, it'll equal it all out, the pressure all out. So right now I've got, as you can see, I've got a clamp holding that left one in. I just replaced the belt. So you can see the old one here. I was able to replace it actually pretty easily. The right side always had the AX31 cogged belt, which is what they suggest. So right now it's no tension, so it should be just below that guide pin, as you can see where my finger is. And then the left side here is the lower one. It's a little bit harder to get in here, but I've got it pulled to the left now, so it's got good tension right now, and it's not rubbing on the guide pin. So I still have to go get another clamp to get this right pulley so that they're both equal. And then once they're both equal, we can tighten them down and go from there. But yeah, wrap the exhaust with some fiberglass just because it got really, really hot in this back spot here. The bucket and everything works really good. I greased everything up. Overall, it works really good. The motor's pretty loud, and how these machines work is the motor is running full RPM the whole time, and it's run off belts, right? The newer systems all run off gears, so the motor revs with your with you using it, right? This one's a little bit louder, but overall, tires need to be replaced. These things are way too bouncy, but it runs. I had her going yesterday. Kind of can see my lines and my dirt. But yeah, overall, nice little machine to work on. I'm learning a lot. It's looking good, looking good. Now I can't do anything with the idler right now because I have that pump held off. But when you pull this, sorry, I keep calling it idler, but when you pull this belt tensioner, how the older systems work, the newer ones, when you pull this up, or the newer ones, they actually might have an automatic, but they have an idler pulley that spins and it hits the belts, right? This one, when you pull this up, the physical motors actually move in, or the hydraulic pumps for the left and right drive actually move in, and that's how it gives you your tension. Works good, but it's obviously not foolproof, right? The tension will start to lose over time, and you'll start to get creeping and this, that. But yeah, overall, pretty decent project. Got some LEDs for the top, an LED light bar just to shine down and one to shine back, just so that we have some safety lights. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Getting it running. For the next video is me ripping around the yard with it. But yeah, 1980s case 1816B, all stock. Gotta cover up some of these wires, I think, too. Yeah, she'll be running soon. Peace, love, and cheers.